how to hide your phone number on Telegram on Android. This tutorial shows you how to control who can see your phone number on your Telegram profile. First, open Telegram on your Android device and tap on the settings icon from the floating navigation bar at the bottom. After that, tap on Privacy and Security. From there, under the Privacy section, tap on Phone Number. At this point, you will see three options to choose from. In the next step, if it is set to Everybody, that means anyone on Telegram can see your phone number. Following this, if you select My Contacts, only people saved in your contacts list will be able to view your number. Once done, if you select Nobody, your phone number will be completely hidden and only you can see it on your profile. From here, you will also notice an additional option below called Who Can Find Me by My Number. This controls whether people can search and find your account using your phone number. Finally, you can also add exceptions by tapping Always Allow or Never Allow to create a custom list of specific people who can or cannot see your number regardless of your main setting. And that's it. If this Telegram guide helped you hide your phone number, give it a like, subscribe for more corresponding tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.